Welcome back to Mind Marvels. Can you name the world's most popular waterfall in 10 seconds? If yes, then let's start. Before starting, please subscribe to Mind Marvels channel.
What is the height of Angel Falls? Where is Victoria Falls located? Which waterfall is in Canada and USA? What river forms Iguazu Falls? What country is Angel Falls in? What is the height of Tugela Falls? Which waterfall is in Africa? What is the height of Niagara Falls? What river forms Victoria Falls? Where is Niagara Falls located? Which waterfall is in Venezuela? What is the height of Victoria Falls? Which waterfall is on the Zambezi River? Which waterfall is in Brazil and Argentina? What is the height of Iguazu Falls? What is the height of Angel Falls? Which waterfall is in Zambia? What country is Victoria Falls in? What river forms Niagara Falls? Where is Iguazu Falls located? Which waterfall is in South Africa? What is the height of Tugela Falls? Which waterfall is on the Iguazu River? Which waterfall is in Brazil? What country is Tugela Falls in? What is the height of Victoria Falls? What river forms Angel Falls? Where is Victoria Falls located? Which waterfall is in North America? What is the height of Iguazu Falls? What river forms Tugela Falls? Where is Angel Falls located? Which waterfall is in Venezuela? What is the height of Niagara Falls? Which waterfall is in Canada? What is the height of Tugela Falls? Which waterfall is on the Zambezi River? Which waterfall is in Brazil and Argentina? What river forms Iguazu Falls? Where is Tugela Falls located? Which waterfall is in Africa? What is the height of Victoria Falls? What river forms Niagara Falls? Where is Iguazu Falls located? Which waterfall is on the Churon River? What country is Niagara Falls in? What is the height of Angel Falls? Which waterfall is in Zambia? What river forms Tugela Falls? What country is Iguazu Falls in?